Here's a step-by-step guide to organize your house. Step 1. Prepare for organization. 1. Gather supplies. Storage bins and containers. Labels and label maker. Trash bags. Cleaning supplies. 2. Set a goal. Decide what you want to achieve with your organization project. 3. Schedule time. Allocate specific times and days to work on organizing your house. Step 2. Declutter and purge. 1. Start with a room. Begin with one room at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. 2. Sort items. Categorize items into 3 piles. Keep. Items you use regularly or are sentimental. Donate. Sell. Items that are still in good condition but no longer needed. Toss. Items that are broken, expired, or no longer useful. 3. Be ruthless. Be honest with yourself about each item. If you haven't used it in a year, it's likely safe to get rid of it. 4. Handle paperwork. Sort through papers, bills, and documents. Shred or recycle unnecessary documents and file away important ones. Step 3. Organize and categorize. 1. Assign a home. Designate a specific place for each item. 2. Use storage containers. Label and use storage bins and containers to keep items organized and out of sight. 3. Utilize vertical space. Use shelves, hooks, and hanging organizers to maximize storage. 4. Create a system. Develop a system for maintaining organization, such as a routine for tidying up. Step 4. Organize specific areas. 1. Kitchen. Sort and purge kitchen utensils and gadgets. Organize cabinets and drawers. Use a utensil organizer or a pegboard. 2. Bedroom. Sort and purge clothing and accessories. Organize closet and dresser. Use storage bins and baskets for socks and underwear. 3. Living room. Sort and purge books, magazines, and remotes. Organize coffee table and side tables. Use storage baskets or ottomans for throw blankets and pillows. 4. Office study. Sort and purge paperwork and office supplies. Organize desk and files. Use a desk organizer or a file cabinet. Step 5. Maintain organization. 1. Create habits. Develop habits, such as putting away items after use. 2. Schedule regular tidying. Set aside time each week to maintain organization. 3. Review and adjust. Regularly review your organization system and make adjustments as needed. Additional tips. 1. Start small. Begin with one area or task to avoid feeling overwhelmed. 2. Don't forget the hidden areas. Organize areas like closets, cupboards, and drawers. 3. Involve family members. Assign tasks and work together to maintain organization. 4. Be patient. Organizing your house takes time and effort. Be patient and celebrate your progress. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a more organized and peaceful